Hello, welcome to Jeongbin's study room. Today, we plan to create a custom chatbot for a blog using GPTs. GPTs refers to a general term for chatbots created by ChatGPT users who customize ChatGPT for specific purposes. In other words, it's a functionality that allows users to input their expertise, customize GPT, and deploy it. GPTs are very appealing because they can be created through the ChatGPT chat interface without any separate coding. Today, I plan to create a GPT using GPTs that can search the content of a blog. First, information is collected from a blog and converted into Markdown format. During this process, the text is processed to extract meaningful information, and the Markdown files are merged. And then, log into ChatGPT and access Explore GPTs in the top left corner. Click on plus greet in the top right corner. Click on Configure. And then upload a thumbnail image for the GPT model. Next, enter the name, description, instructions, and conversation starters. The name is the name of the model, description provides a brief explanation of the model, and instructions offer guidance on how to use the model. It's often the case that the intended answer doesn't come out when asking questions, so it's important to pay attention to prompt engineering. Therefore, you need to provide appropriate examples of questions. Thus, in the conversation starters, enter examples of questions to prompt the model to start a conversation. Knowledge refers to specifying the range of knowledge to be referenced when the model is created. It is used to set the scope of information that the model will refer to when answering conversations or questions. I entered the first Markdown file I created here. After completing the additional settings, press the Save button in the top right corner. Now it's time to select Publish to. At this stage, you choose who to share the created GPT model with. You can select from only me, anyone with a link, or everyone. Next, select a category to classify the GPT model you are creating. Verify the selected settings and click Confirm to apply them. Now, by clicking on the name in your newly created My GPT, you can see a window that allows you to change the settings of the GPT. Moreover, it's possible to share it just by passing the link. Shall we now try running the GPT? I have attempted to implement a ChatGPT at the level of a blog search engine. If you don't explicitly use a source file in the query, it leads to issues with the GPT's responses getting mixed up. However, using a source file instead solves this problem. Isn't it fascinating that you can create your own GPT model? Now, unleash your creativity and imagination. Engage in various conversations with the model we've created, develop new ideas, and share the knowledge gained. Show the world the endless possibilities that can change it. I will be waiting for you in Jeongbin's study room again today.